All right, it's New Year's Eve, December 31st. We're gonna try out this Dragon Moto photomorphic visor, so it gets dark in the sunshine and then it gets clear at night. So then you only need one visor on your helmet, and it's working. Unbelievable. It's nice and clear, super good so far. Indexes perfectly. Well, let's go play around on the bike today. For sunny end of the year. I'm gonna try and get out tomorrow on New Year's Day. I haven't made my mind up yet if I want to go to Big Sur or if I'm gonna go up across the Golden Gate. Oh yeah, dude, the visor's chicken in nice. Here, let's turn on the front camera and take a peek. Oh yeah. She totally darkened up in the sunshine. I'm stoked. Dragon Moto. See if they make one for your helmet. I'm gonna watch my speed here. The cops have been lurking. They've been lurking up here. And it's 55 on the Coast Highway. Just for the heads up. The ocean's so blue today. It's all clear. Oh, you can't see because of the hill right there, but woo, coming in the big Davenport. Slow her down, Mac. The swell finally dropped. It's been huge forever. It was one of the best winter swells in my lifetime. gonna go up Stage Road, one of my favorite rides right here. Just cut through Pescadero. Here we are, Stage Road. We just left Pescadero. This is such a good motorcycle ride right here. Turkey. Look at the turkeys. Turkey time. You. Just, dude, it doesn't get any better than this. This is Stage Road out of Pescadero. I think I actually like it going north. You can take it north, you can take it south, but I think north is actually prettier. Yeah, I think you do. You get more of the view. Look at that, the ocean and all the swells. Look at that. That right there is the money shot. Have mercy. Big old truck coming. Big old F-350.
treasure of this ride is a complete view of the San Francisco Bay from a coastal mountain road. This is my last ride of 2024 on New Year's Eve, and I hope you enjoyed it.